Okay. Divisible by 2. 5. 10. 102. 110. 105. 202. 220. 225. 305. 302. 318. 318. What is the last number of 208 and 318? 8 is divisible by 2. Very good. Next. 402. What na? Kabod. What is 402? What is the last number? 2. 2 is divisible by 2. Is it 402 is divisible by 5? Yes or no? Ano nag-ano naman ako ba? Sakta na siguro. Okay. Sit. Hands up. Hands down.